I'm Vincent. I'm a senior business developer with Apex. We're an economic development group servicing Northeast Minnesota and Northwest Wisconsin. We're a privately funded nonprofit conducting economic development, business attraction, business expansion work. Since we started working with Golden Shovel personally probably about 5 years ago, it's been outstanding. I mean, no other web development firm that I'm aware of is as familiar with economic development, what our issues are, what our opportunities are. They're on the ground at the conferences that we're at, and they anticipate our needs as far as economic development, digital interaction. Golden Shovel has made my job a lot easier, especially on the digital marketing and web development field. You know, I can't be an expert in every little thing, but as an economic developer, Golden Shovel understands my needs and what the emerging trends are in digital marketing and web development, so I don't need to be an expert. I would say, as far as being experts, an example of that is Place VR, and being one of the first companies or EDOs to move into virtual reality familiarization tours has been something that has really put us ahead, and that's something Place VR has and Golden Shovel has offered us, is the opportunity to be the first movers in that field. It is a pretty big day for us. We were awarded the very first Excellence in Innovation Award here at EDOM, and that's in large part thanks to the technical and production expertise that Place VR and Golden Shovel has allowed us to jump in on and partner with. So they were looking for people who are pushing technology forward, pushing the field forward, creating new efficiencies, and that's something that our VR familiarization project has been able to bring our economic development community. What I find most exciting is that the first time either site selection professionals or even just industry professionals take off the goggles after seeing our video for the first time, they're A, impressed, B, they're saying that this is the first time they've ever seen anything like this, and that is the most exciting part to me, is that this is the first time any of these site selectors or EDOs have experienced a virtual familiarization tour, and so that's what's exciting to me. Golden Shovel are the funnest group of web developers that I've ever met.